My name is Piyush Singh and I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Bargarh Chitrakoot. And after that, after completing my diploma course in mechanical, I just searching for some CAD design related course. Then I found the GUVI course, which is affiliated or related with HCL. So I know the HCL reputation and branding in the global market. That's why I get connected with admission team. And after that, I take the GUVI mechanical CAD and automobile design course. Like this is a 6 month course which I pursued. In this course, I learn AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and CATIA. In AutoCAD, I learn all the basic things, and after that, all the things which is used in industry for while using AutoCAD. And after that, I learn SolidWorks, and in SolidWorks, part modeling, assembly, and surface design is included, and sheet metal too. After that, I completed SolidWorks, and after that, I moved in CATIA, in which I learned part design and assembly and sheet metal as well as surfacing. The CATIA is the most decent for me because I want to learn from starting of the day CATIA. That's why I'm really interested to learn whole course, and the AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and CATIA give me a great knowledge about CAD design and the manufacturing things, which is really used as industry preference. And the mentorship which I got is really great because the first AutoCAD is taught by Nemo sir, and SolidWorks and CATIA is taught by Rupa Ganesh sir. Both teacher is really appreciable because they have great knowledge, really great experience in industry, because both have 10 plus years experience in industry. Their experience and their knowledge like is pretty good. So I really learned too much things apart from the course, also from industry standards. I also learned industry standards thing from both my mentors, and from support team like Madhumita ma'am and Hassan sir and Tushar Rastogi sir, which helped me in every problem I faced during any task, during any prototype, and or any projects or final project. Take help from all three supporting teams, and they helped me all to resolve all the problems at a proper time. I got the help with a proper knowledge, and like all the members, all the GUVI team, whenever I met in Google Meet or some other platform, I feel a positive energy. They have a positive attitude. You can learn many things if you want to learn something. The GUVI course is really good for mechanical design. If you completed your mechanical bachelor's or diploma, then the GUVI course is best for you. I never installed any software, so while installing the software, I take the guidance from the support team. And Madhumita ma'am told me how to install, but I also don't know how to install. Then he installed that software in my system by using some other softwares. All the three software is installed by Madhumita ma'am. I also learned GD&T, which is mostly used in industry. I have four modules: AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, and GD&T. GD&T is a theory part, so I forgot to mention it. But yeah, I learned all the things in this course. HCL gives you practical industrial things which you really want to know, because in industry they are not going to work with your theoretical knowledge. They want some industrial experience or industrial knowledge or practical knowledge. So HCL will give you the best knowledge. What you want? I suggest that take a course which aligns your discipline first, and then many learners have, I also faced this challenge. Sometimes it seems like the course is very costly, but you never see the behind things which are going to add value, the things which give you more value than other cheap courses. Like there are in the market, there are many CAD courses are there. Like you will search on Google that CAD course, you will get many things, many institute. So if you are going to take a 36,000 course for 3 to 4 courses, then you will just learn the courses. But if you are giving a branded courses or a recognized course, then you will learn courses plus theoretical knowledge plus industrial experience from the mentors. So if someone is going to think for CAD design, then definitely he he or she need to think like a best course. And I refer HCL GUVI course, which I also pursued. So if someone is going to take this course, then definitely he or she should go. Thank you.